Hello everyone, I Razia Pathan from Gnanaji Vidyapit, Standard 3rd. Today we will start worksheet number 7, divide by drawing. So in the 2-digit numbers में divide by drawing कैसे करते हैं वो हमने सीखा था. Now we will start dividing a 3-digit number by 1-digit number pictorially. ठीक है. So in that find the 496 divided by 4. Draw the bigger number as a 100, tens and ones. 496 is equal to 400. 4 is a 100 place, 9 is a 10 place, plus 6 is a 1 place. So in that 4, here we have to do 4 circle, 4 rectangle, 9 we have to draw 9 lines, and 6 we have to draw 6 dot. Okay. Now what we have to do? 4 ones are 4. So we will divide in the 4. We have to divide here in the 4 part. 4 part को हमने merge किया 1 में. Then next one is now we'll do 4 2s are 8. So 4 4 के पार्ट 4 4 के 2 ग्रुप्स भी बना दिया हमने और यहाँ पे रिमेन नंबर इज 1. Now 1 and 6. Okay, so next number is 10s and 1s, 16, 1, 6, 16. So we'll cut this number one line, and here we have to do 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 हमने यहाँ पे डॉट्स बना दिया एंड इसको 4 4 के पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. So इधर 100 groups, 2 tens groups and 4 ones group. So our answer is 100 plus 2 tens plus 1, 124. Our answer is 124. 496 divide by 4. Our answer is 124. Now students, worksheet number 8 जो है वो आप लोगों को होमवर्क में करनी है. वर्कशीट नंबर 8 वो आप लोग किस में करोगे? होमवर्क में. That worksheet I will send it to you in the WhatsApp group. So you have to write the answers, get the answers for that. ओके वहां से आप लोगों को आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे. आप लोग आपके आंसर्स यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हो. नाउ विल स्टार्ट वर्कशीट नंबर 9. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ विल स्टार्ट वर्कशीट नंबर 9. सो इन दैट वर्कशीट राइट द डिवीजन सेंटेंस फॉर द फॉलोइंग मल्टीप्लीकेशन सेंटेंस. मल्टीप्लीकेशन सेंटेंस है उसको हमें किस में लिखना है? डिवीजन सेंटेंस में. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? We'll write that. Okay. First look at this question. Okay students. So here 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So 8 divided by 4. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Like that 3 into 3. Answer is 9. 9 divided by 3. So correct answer is 3. Okay, 2 into 9 is equal to 80. 2 into 9 is equal to 80. 80 divided by 9. Answer is 2. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Then 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 56 divided by 7. Answer is 8. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 5. Answer is 2. 10 divided by 5. Answer is 2. 6 into 5. 6 5s are 13. 13 divided by 5. Answer is 6. Answer is 6. 8 into 5 is equal to 14. 14 divided by 5. Answer is 8. 9 into 3, 27. 27 divided by 3. Answer is 9. 7 8s are 56. 56 divided by 8. Answer is 7. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Write it down in your notebook. You have to write worksheet number 9, page number 38 in your book. 12 divided by 4, answer is 3. 12 divided by 4, answer is 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 6 divided by 3, answer is 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. 10 divided by 5, answer is 2. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 18 divided by 6, 18 divided by 6, answer is 3. 3 into 6, answer is 18. 3 into 6, answer is 18. 18 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2, answer is 9. 18 divided by 2, answer is 9. 9 into 2, 9 into 2, answer is 18. Answer is 18. Now 12 into 3, 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3, answer is 4. Answer is 4. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 14 divided by 5, answer is 9. 9 into 5, answer is 45. 27 divided by 3, answer is 9. 9 into 3, answer is 27. 58 divided by 8, answer is 7. 7 into 8, answer is 56. 7 divided by 7, answer is 7. 7 into 7, answer is 49. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now we'll start multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. So in that first one is filling the blanks. First one is a filling the blanks. Worksheet number 10. Worksheet number 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 5 8 are 40. 5 8 are 40. Then 4 5 are 20. 4 5 are 20. 7 3 are 21. 8 2s are 16. 6 3s are 18. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. 2 7s are 40. 2 7s are 40. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. 5 9s are 45. 7 10s are 17. 8 8s are 64. 7 5s are 35. 4 9s are 36. 3 10s are 30. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. You have to complete this. Okay students, now next question is write the given division statements as shown. Write the given division statements as shown. So in that first one has done for us 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is a 12. So what we have to write here? 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Now 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So 5 times, what we have to write here? 5 times 3 is 5 times 3 is 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Here what we have to write? 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Then 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 6 into 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. So here we have to write 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. 7 times 6 is 6 times 7 is 42. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. 4 times 7 is 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 14 divided by 5 is equal to 8. 8 times 5 is 14. 8 5s are 14. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. You have to complete your work. Okay students, so today you have to complete worksheet number 9 and worksheet number 10. वर्कशीट नंबर 9 एंड वर्कशीट नंबर 10 है वो आप लोगों को कंप्लीट करनी है एंड बिफोर 3 o'clock होमवर्क में हमें सेंड करना है. ओके, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क एंड सेंड इट टू मी इन अ व्हाट्सएप बिफोर 3 o'clock. ओके एवरीवन, सो आज हम लोगों ने मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड डिविजन्स के फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स हम लोगों ने सीख लिया है. ठीक है, सेंटेंसेस में कैसे लिखना है, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स क्या है, स्टेटमेंट्स कैसे लिखना है, हाउ टू शो द स्टेटमेंट्स, वो भी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे सीखा है. सो यू हैव टू राइट ऑल द थिंग्स इन योर नोटबुक, ओके, एंड सेंड इट टू मी बिफोर 3 o'clock. ओके एवरीवन, बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे.